Assalamualaikum. And hello YouTubers. Pro 2 is here. Today, I will share with you guys how to adjust your camber at home. These are the main tools you need to have to done this DIY project. Magnetic camber wheel alignment tools. You can attach this magnetic base tools to a disc brake for accurate checking of the camber angle. To adjust the rear tire nut chamber, you have to take off the rear wheel and it can be attached to the drum brake. And there is one knob to adjust 180-degree angle on the back of this tools. Camber is described as negative when the top of the tires tilt inward. When the top of the tires tilt away from the vehicle, it is considered positive. With this tool, you can align your camber to the original position. Improper camber can make the tire wear on one edge and may cause the vehicle to pull to the side that has the most positive camber. Before we start this DIY project, we need to park the car on a flat surface. The tilted position of the car will cause inaccurate chamber readings. Use water level ruler to make sure the car is flat. I put this precision water level in two places, just to make sure the car is on a flat surface. When this bubble is in the middle, this means this car is at a position of 180 degrees or on a flat surface. Next, we will need a straight long rod to measure the angle on the rim of your vehicle. Because this water level is aluminium, I put an iron ruler so this magnetic tools can easily stick on it. With this long rod we can measure the degree of the wheel by placing this straight rod on both sides of the upper and lower rims. Next, adjust first the middle part of the tools by turning the screw knob under it. Adjust until the middle part is even with the body tools. Place these long rod on the surface of the rim. Make sure the top and bottom of the rim are in contact with this long rod. On this water scale also already shows this tire is a bit tilted. And attach this tools to the long rod. Uphold this tool according to the water weight on the edge of this tool. According to the reading on this tools, my tire is in positive 1.3 degree, which is the top of the tire comes out a little bit from the body. This will cause the outside of my tire to wear out first if I do not adjust to the original position. Then, record the chamber reading for the left side tire. We can also use Android apps like Clinometer to measure the angle degree of this tire. The reading on this clinometer is 1.3 degrees. Next I will jack the car left and right. So it is as upright as parking on the floor. I use water scales to make sure the car flat 180 degrees. Next, open the tire to adjust the chamber bolt. Stick the tools on the drum brake. And make sure this bubble is in the middle. Next, adjust the screw knob under this tools to put the bubble on the chamber reading taken earlier. Because I have jacked the vehicle left and right, so I have to adjust the bubble just a little bit to positive 1.3 degree. Here is the position of the chamber bolt. Loosen the rear screw of this chamber slightly and adjust it from the front. I will put it at an angle of negative 0.5 degrees. Okay, we done here. Retighten the chamber bolts. Here is the setting from the alignment store, which is the front chamber minus 0.3 degrees. And the ear chamber is minus 1 degree. However, I feel comfortable with minus 0.5 degrees. Reinstall the tires. and jack off your car. Test run first after this. And test the camber angle after that. And this is the result. As you can see, when this bubble touches the first line, that already shows minus 0.5 degrees. That's it for now. Until we meet again in other DIY project. Bye bye. Pro to DIY. Use this information at your own risk. Any injury, damage, or loss that may result from improper use of any tools and equipment, or from the information contained in this video, the user must take responsibility. If you think this video helpful for you, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. May the force be with you. Pro to DIY.